Hey friends, welcome back to the My Botrytis DIY channel. I'm in the lawn and I'm doing some midsummer dethatching. It's the 18th of July, so yeah, it's kind of a hot time of year or an odd time of year to be dethatching, but I'll tell you why I'm doing it now. Well, the reason is because I've got a lot of fungus action going on. This summer's been super hot, super humid, lots of rain, and it's gone crazy. And how do I know it's fungus? Well, look at that leaf right there. This is a disease for sure, some kind of fungal activity. It's either could be brown spot, could be dollar spot, could be gray spot. I don't know what it is exactly, but either way, I'm going to be applying this garden-friendly fungicide. I didn't put any kind of fungicide application this year earlier in the spring, so that's my fault. I would have used this one, which really it's a bacteria. I don't know if you can read it on there, but I'll put a link to this in the description of the video. But this is a bacteria that colonizes the roots of the grass plant and helps it to withstand fungal pressure. You can spray it on the leaves, on the root. It'll colonize the whole plant. But so far I put down a couple applications. It seems to have some bugs around. It seems to have helped a bit, but the problem is I've got a lot of dead plant matter, and that's where the fungus is right now, all the fungal spores. So I really need to get that stuff out. Yesterday I mowed my lawn down to 2 inches to get some of the dead grass out, and I put it all in the bin, the compost bin. And yesterday was Monday, and Monday is my usual trash day, so they should have come yesterday to pick it up, but they didn't. They came today. So now I have an empty bin, and that means I can dethatch, get all the dead grass out, and throw it out in the bin today. I don't have to wait another week and mow again. So I took advantage of that and decided to dethatch it today. And after I'm done dethatching, I'll spray down some more of the fungicide and some other liquids that I want to put in, some aerate maybe, RGS. I haven't put those down yet this year, so now would be a good time to do that. And then I'll water them in, or I'll probably might leave them. I haven't decided yet because it's kind of cloudy. It might rain. It's been very rainy this summer, like I said, so I might take care of it for myself. Anyways, we'll figure out after. But anyway, that's my story about what's going on right now. Why am I dethatching midsummer? If you do have fungus activity like I do, you want to rake that stuff out, at least rake it. Get the dead grass out. If you can dethatch, because it's not too hot right now, the sun's not beating down on the grass tremendously, so it is supposed to be a high of 78 today, so not too bad. Mild summer. I can go ahead and dethatch it. Won't put too much stress on the lawn. And then we're gonna try to give it some more nutrients to help it withstand the heat. I did spray microgreen and green effect earlier, the double dark combination that you've heard of before. I sprayed it a couple weeks ago, and the grass was super lush and green. You can see the other side of my driveway. I haven't mowed that yet. That's how this side looked before I cut it, and then now all the brown is showing, so that's why I'm getting it all out of here as much as I can, and then I'll have a lot more green to go around, and hopefully it won't we'll be able to withstand the fungus a little bit better. So anyways, that's my update so far, and this is my first lawn video going on YouTube this year. And it's been, last year, I gotta tell you, was a crazy year. Last year was a very hard year for my family. My dad got sick. I was hospitalized. My dad, he was in the hospital for 2.5 months, and shortly after he got out of the hospital, my mom, who had very late stages of Alzheimer's, passed away about a month after that. I'm not trying to tell a sob story, but that's just what happened in life. So I did not get a chance. I couldn't focus on the YouTube videos last year. So I'm going to try to start them up a bit more. And this will be the first of hopefully some more. I'll let you know. Maybe I'll do an update in a week or two after this grows back out and we can see how things are going. So thanks for checking this video out, and I'll catch you next time.